Good morning to my dear students. Today we have discussed about definition and scope of archaeology. Definition. The word archaeology has its origin from two ancient Greek words. Archaeos means ancient or old, and logia, which stands for learning or study. Archaeology is the study of ancient and recent human past through the recovery and analysis of material remains. Many consider it to be a subfield of anthropology, along with many other subfields comprising biological, cultural, and linguistic anthropology. Archaeology can be considered both a social science and a branch of the humanity, the study of humans and their society. However, it also uses other branches of learning such as biology, chemistry, geology, botany, geography, and various other disciplines. By using all these disciplines, the archaeologists are able to understand human civilizations of the past and recreate main aspects of the environment in which these bygone societies lived. Archaeology is the only method available for the study of human actions in the material world. When other evidences, such as a variety of written materials and oral traditions narrating certain phenomena, fail, the survival of written documents is relatively limited, and hence, from the time that these documents became available, they provide additional tools to archaeology for its interpretation of past activities of men on the basis of material remains. Archaeology, from this point of view, has to not only interpret material remains of human activity, but also throw light on the literary interpretation of the past phenomenon. It helps us to appreciate and preserve our shared human heritage. It informs us about the past, helps us understand where we came from, and shows us how people lived, overcame challenges, and developed the societies we have today. The development of the field of archaeology has its roots in history and those who were interested in the past, such as kings who wanted to show past glories of their respective nations. In the 5th century BC, Herodotus, the Greek historian, was the first scholar to systematically study the past and perhaps the first to examine artifacts and test their accuracy. Scope. Prehistoric archaeology has become an institution nowadays, encompassing a number of different scholars forming subdisciplines. Each scholar propagates new theories and follows different methods having different approaches. In the recent past, there has been a growing realization that prehistoric archaeology has contributed a lot not only to study the antiquities of relics of the past societies but also to study the modern people or contemporary societies with simple technology from the light of their practice set in prehistoric times. It can also help with specific archaeological studies when the ways of life of the modern society are very much similar to those of the past life. It has become a current focus of research. In one way or another, we compare something from the past with an object in use today. For example, megalithism or using megaliths to create monuments is a dead cultural phenomenon in most parts of the world, but it is still practiced by different tribal communities in the same way or in some modified form in northeast India, especially in Nagaland, Manipur, and Meghalaya. Megalithism is a living tradition among these tribal communities. Hence, many specialists in the field of ethnoarchaeology take keen interest to reconstruct the past life of the ancient people of those regions in the light of this living tradition. Thank you, students.